Alright, tree lovers, buckle up. Get ready to meet the wildest machines built to cut down the biggest. Toughest trees out there. The giant tree stump pullers are in beast mode. This is the battle between nature and technology. And trust me, these machines don't back down. Begin. Meet the UG 6880 Harvester, a true titan in dense forestry, with its rotating cabin and advanced control setup. Operators get unmatched maneuverability and a crystal clear line of sight no matter what terrain they're on. Equipped with the Waratah H415 harvesting head and the Timbermatic H16 control system, this beast delivers pinpoint precision and top-tier productivity. This machine, it's got it all. Nature is a masterpiece, no doubt about it, but sometimes I can't help but wonder, why chop down that majestic tree? Did it block someone's or an ad? Whatever the reason. It's a total head-scratcher as for our place in the world. We're kind of like the forest managers. But let's face it, Mother Nature is the real boss and our legacy. Well, let's hope it's something worth remembering. Not one of those what were they thinking moments. Haha, watching you handle that big rig, all I can say is awesome. Pay close attention, plan every move, and always respect the power of inertia that's the pro's way. One tiny mistake, and boom, it's instant disaster. But with the right skills and just a bit of finesse, suddenly, it's all smooth and easy like a game. Drop A in the comments if your videos amaze you. Your support fuels our creative fire. The custom stump splitter is the perfect solution for solo wood splitting this machine. It tackles those stubborn stumps and turns them into manageable pieces of wood. Not only can you earn cash clearing stumps for land developers, but you can also sell the wood to biomass plants for fuel, double the income from one job. Now that's amazing, compact, efficient. And all about maximizing profits, this is the dream job setup. In the fresh air with the roar of the chainsaw, felling a giant willow in the right direction doesn't feel impossible. It feels like a challenge worth taking on. Willows, with their long, flexible branches, can be heavy and tricky to control. It's like trying to tame a giant. Curving beast, every swing has to be just right, with the right skill, steady hand, and a bit of finesse. It all becomes part of the art of felling a tree, a true test of patience and technique. Today, I'm gonna show you a real ninja. Not a guy in black with throwing stars. No. This is a John Deere we're talking about. Yeah, that's right. Big, green, buried deep in mud. Like it's hiding from the world, and I gotta wonder who in the world could drive it.
It is. Oh, that's my hook brake. It is a fair holder brakes on. That's progress. You bet.
When it comes to hauling serious weight, the truck TMF 2821 doesn't just stand tall, it struts. This forklift beast is all about stability and strength, lifting the heaviest logs with the grace of a ballerina, landing each one exactly where it needs to be. Strong, smooth, and precise, this machine's got it all. Alright, guys, Prop Excavating just went all in. Testing out their Smithco trailers, pulling giant tree trunks like T220 to hair matches, and I gotta say, these trucks. They're the real deal, versatile, tough as nails. And they just want to pull. Prop and Smithco have proven it again. If there's a job too tough for these trailers, well, I'll be needing a magnifying glass to find it. This right here, this is the pinnacle of trailers, folks. Alright, folks, if you're as into the wood industry as I am, you're gonna love this posh fixed wood processor. This thing's a workhorse, makes cutting, splitting, and bundling firewood feel like a breeze. And here's the kicker, it can handle up to 12 logs without even switching the blade. Plus, you've got a hydraulic splitting blade that adjusts with just a joystick. And the best part, the machine adapts automatically to the log diameter, making everything run smoother than ever. If you're facing muddy terrain, then the Deere is your best ally, with a handling capacity of up to 9 tons. This machine is built to shine even in the toughest conditions. Muddy terrain, no problem. The Deere powers through it like it's just a walk in the park. Ever wished for a super machine to make cutting wood as easy as pie? Meet the Bell's 8000 Firewood. This powerhouse saves you time, effort, and even makes you feel like a firewood pro with its high-performance design. The Bell's 8000 can process massive amounts of wood in no time, efficient and powerful all the way. If you're looking to clear land quick and easy, then look no further than the Plymouth Raptor 800. This beast can haul, chop, and clear anything from little shrubs to full-grown trees, without even needing a brake, designed to handle all terrains. This machine tackles rough roads like it's just taking a stroll through the woods. Here it is the metal beast itself, the CBI Stump Shear. This isn't your grandma's gardening tool. Oh no, this is serious land-clearing muscle, with jaws primed to gnash and devour. This monster doesn't just cut, it rips, shreds, and downright inhales those stubborn stumps, leaving nothing but mulch in its wake. It's like the Hulk of land clearing, no stump stands a chance. If you don't like the sound of a grinder, just picture this. It's not just making noise. It's chewing up all your troubles, and you are the gardening expert. Watching it turn those problems into mulch. Now that's some satisfying power. The Frontier OS 27 now, that's a sawmill you can count on. Tough, reliable, and versatile, it's the perfect choice for anyone clearing rugged land. This powerhouse handles logs up to 27 inches wide, delivering smooth, precise cuts every time. Hard wood, soft wood, it doesn't matter, the OS 27 tackles it all with serious durability. Sometimes, no matter how advanced our machines get, they just can't outdo Mother Nature, and honestly, that's a pretty unforgettable experience. It's like watching a battle where the machines try their best, but nature's the one with the final say that moment, pure awe.
Нихуя его, капанул. Охуенно. Заснял? Видел? Охуеть.
The Tiger Cat 635D paired with the Brack M46 cutter head. Now that's a killer combo in the logging game. Unmatched efficiency, making logging easier and, dare I say, fun. Imagine sitting in the driver's seat, controlling this beast like a long-legged panther weaving through the forest. Trimming and processing wood like an artist felling trees, its power, precision, and pure satisfaction all in one machine. The KA 5328. Oh, it's a straight-up monster in the forest. Hauling timber like it's no big deal, pure strength and durability. With its tough design and beastly performance, this truck powers through rough, muddy forest roads like they're just a bump in the road. And when it's pulling an extra rear box, nothing can stop this bad boy. And that's a wrap for today's adventure. If these heavy machines got your adrenaline pumping, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss the action. Trust me, you won't want to miss what's coming next. The jungle is waiting, and the next adventure is just around the corner. See you in the next video. Let's keep this ride rolling.